And here we go. Okay, so today it's gonna be a quick stream. It's gonna be half an hour stream, and we'll see how much I'll manage to do in this half an hour. Right, so the immediate scene, I can tell I wanna... Okay, there is one bug I want to fix. And that's the login bug. So if I'm going to log out, I'll create new account, call it Max. Email is gonna be xm@xm.me. Password is absolutely the same, create account. Dispatch is not a function, although account is created. So now let's copy all directory and just ask Gemini to do everything for me. After entering all credentials and submitting how's it called? Sign up form. I get dispatch is not a function, right? Yep. Dispatch function error. So count creates correctly. Could you please fix that? Okay. Run. For some reason, for some unknown reason, I got really low bitrate. It's ain't good. I got 500 lost frames. That's upsetting. Okay, seems to be better now. Okay, it's actually not. Okay, no, I can restart. Okay, now it seems to be better. I turned off my VPN, basically. Yeah, and good scene. It seems like Twitch has just continued from the same place, so I didn't get the new translation. It's still like 3 minutes long. 350. Oh, why do I have Google ground searches? Like, actually, wait a minute. It's gonna degrade the performance, that's not what I want. Next, after it will fix that. What am I gonna do next? So I want to get like normal profiles. Sam. Oh, it's Max. Oh, it's password. Okay. Is it like backflip is a one word or 2 words? Probably 2 words, right? It's a 1 word, wait. Oh, it's actually 1 word. Okay. Okay, it works. I have to create normal profile. Okay, I suppose where it was. Oh, where it was? It says it's probably the hyperrep's fault. I guess it has no idea what actually causes this problem, right? Oh, I got my stream resetted. It's now 2 minutes. That's insane. Okay. Is there any logs? Not max. Not max. It extended me. Inspect. Console. Dispatch is not a function. State TS49. Error plus error. Set error. Network. Sign up. User already exists. Oh, okay, it still syncs. By the way, can I do it that way? I should be able to run two chats at the same time, right? Of course, this dispatches function error after a successful signup indicates an issue in the frontend logic that handles the API response. The account creation works, so the backend is fine. The problem is how the frontend tries to trigger the navigation to the login page after the signup is complete. Hyperrep effects like signup effects should dispatch actions. These actions can then return a new state and optionally another effect, yeah. The original code in signup effects attempts to dispatch an effect. Navigate effects, yeah. Directly from a promise callback within another effect. Is it bad? This is not standard pattern and it's causing the error. Okay, the fix is to dispatch an action that in turn returns navigate effects effect. This aligns with an idiomatic hyperrep flow, where effect triggers actions and actions trigger state changes and subsequent effects. That's so weird, not gonna lie. It doesn't sound good. Okay. State yes. Frontend SRC. Okay, so that everything has changed. Is there a way to see the previous code? Probably not. I mean, actually I can do undo. Oh, but it won't. Yeah, it will jump away. After successful signup, dispatch an action that triggers navigation to the login page. This follows the pattern effects dispatching actions which can then return other effects. Then dispatch navigate effects. Wait, that still feels wrong. Dispatch set profile data, set error, set error, set error. Okay, so I never call effect from another effect, right? Go to login. State any. So we're just making an empty wrapper just to call it. Damn, that's insane. Why am like what restricts us? Okay, actually it's a speedrun. Why am I like even discussing that? Let's just check if it works. Who cares why it wasn't working, right? Right? Oh. I am Max. There's some peak creativity right there. Network console, create account. Oh, it was pretty sweet, so it doesn't log in. Actually, is it really sweet? Should probably just log in immediately here. Anyways, this one is done. Git add all. Git commit. Aus. Fix. Sign up. Map. Dispatch is not a function error. D&D. Okay, now I'm gonna go big. And at least try to go. Could you please add following functionality? Is it in profiles? Every user, every profile should have probably must have a follow button and amount of followers and following shown next to their usernames. Okay, this one is gonna be a little bit big, right? Because it means you have to both change backend and frontend. Then you also have to change DB schema, which also means they'll probably create a migration, right? I don't really think I need a migration because, like, it's still in such an early stage. Like, migrations are needed because people may have your application deployed, right? And when you update it, like, they need some way to update the database to be compatible with a new version of the app, right? And it also, like, works for you because you also have to do that, and it just makes life easier. However, this, like, right now, app is not deployed anywhere. So what's the problem to just change init migration, right? It just makes so much sense. Actually, let's do some multitasking. Open new chat. What can I do that will not break profile code? Actually, I can find some icons. Edit done. Make it. Actually, it's not a make, right? It's a do a flip, do a backflip, make a backflip. Probably make is probably fine too. Actually, do a backflip, do a flip. Let's make a flip. The phrase "do a flip and make flip" is a bit ambiguous, but it could refer to ASIC. The phrase "do a backflip" refers to a physical action performed in a backflip. Make a backflip is less common and often used in a figurative or metaphorical context. Okay, so it's do a backflip. Let's have it. And actually previous one was much better. Edit. Man, this one is so cool. Oh, I remembered another feature I wanted to add. I want to add the possibility of choosing between bool state and a number, right? So each log can be an integer and not the boolean state. So that way you can like specify the amount of work you have done, right? Like pretty much basically like GitHub commits. So like each log has like one contribution, 1 to 5, 2, 3, 2, 3, 6, right? So it's like a number. Oh, it's done. This will involve updating the database schema, backend service, API endpoints, and the frontend profile view. Here are the changes for each file. A quick note before we start: you will need to create 2 new migration files. That's what I thought it's gonna be. Add followers. Could you please just modify init migration file instead of creating new one? Okay, other than that, handlers.go. Internal. It was handlers, right? Was it handlers? As a file, it's called handlers. Handlers. Okay, why it always mistypes github.com? It's like it happens so often. It types .com. It's so weird. It's such a weird bug. Slog error, could not retrieve user profile error. Okay, that's fascinating. It's just casually added logs here. I mean, why not? But it's still kind of weird. Okay, follow user. Get username. Get user ID from context. Follower ID. Yep. Authentication error. Yep. User to follow. Get by username. Yep. User to follow not found. Yep. Could not find user to follow. Wait. Aren't those the same? Error, user not found. User to follow not found. Could not find user to follow. Unexpected. Internal. Server error. I guess this one is better. Like how to say it? Previous error message was more precise, but the point is we got no idea what actually happened, so there is no point to be precise. You should just like say that something happened. Like we have no idea what exactly happened because it's like basically status internal server error. Yeah. No, not this one. It was previous one. Oh, where am I? Follow user. Yep. Error cannot follow self. Oh, that's actually pretty interesting edge case. Where to follow user. Error. Pretty sweet. Unfollow user. Yeah, authenticated, get user by name, by username. Could not find user to unfollow. Unfollow user, failed to unfollow user. Yeah, I guess, yeah. Okay, let's move on. Routes. So that's gonna be pretty fast. So we add 2 new endpoints. Profile, username, follow, post, delete. Okay, pretty. Actually, Can I just Like, remove follow altogether. Postgres. GG, 0, visual, capital G, paste. That feels so good. Then I have to learn more Vim combinations. I feel like I can get so much performance out of it. And like just forget about mouse altogether. Follow user. Insert into followers, follower ID, following ID, value on conflict, do nothing. Unfollow user, delete from where, yep, is following. If follower ID equals ID nil, return false nil. Why we don't check following ID too? Anyway, select exist, select one from followers where follower ID and scan turns. Okay, looks pretty good. Get follower count. Select count from followers where following ID equals 1. Wait, that's weird. User ID. Oh no, that's actually not weird. Yes, that makes sense. I thought it as the way around. I thought we like looking for exact follower, right? We're looking for the person and then counts their followers. That makes sense. Get following count. Follower ID. Yeah, that makes sense. That makes sense. Good. It was Postgres. Let's change repository. Actually, I feel like repository is pretty redundant, right? Like I got nothing to interchange with, right? So like this interfacing is needed when you want to swap scenes in runtime, but I just don't do that. Follower repository. Okay, pretty interesting. Service.go. G0 visual capital G paste. Sync. Error cannot follow self. Get user by username. Okay, we're getting user. If error return, has password, remove password, yeah, profile data. User, habits, is owner. Follower count, yeah, it's follow, yeah. Get profile data. Why do have I said profile? That's ridiculous, profile data. Habit was lax. Followers count, okay, it's basically the same as following. Wait group. Get all habits with logs, get follower count, get following count. Wow. Interesting it does it in parallel, it's pretty cool. But maybe I should just batch it all? Is it possible? It should be possible to like batch it, right? To like ask database. Oh, I'm sorry. To ask database to create like, how do I say it? Like you create a group of skills and just push it in the database altogether, and the database will just manage it the fastest way. It should be possible. Like I believe it was something I've done in SQL with Zig, right? Was it, or was it a transaction? No, it probably was not a transaction, right? It sounds kind of similar. It might be like, it might be actually the property of transactions, actually. But it doesn't matter, it's even better that way. But okay, if it works, right? Profile data, user, yep. Okay, it looks pretty good. Follow user. Cannot follow user. Okay. Unfollow user. Okay, pretty straightforward. API.ts. What else are we gonna add here? Delete. Okay. State.ts. Let's modify state.ts. Wait, undo. I'll better do it that way, to be sure I've not missed anything. Wait, I bet it was the old code. Actually, how do I go to the end of the line? I'm really curious. In Vim, go to the end of line. 16 years ago, wow. Just $sign key. You can use A to move to the end of line and switch to edit mode. No, I don't need that. So it's a $sign. $sign is what, 4? Okay, makes sense. Pretty good. Yeah, pretty good. Set following status. Okay, what we changed in state? Nothing? It's kinda suspicious. Why? Like, I would assume you have to change something. It's following. Object literal may only specify non-properties and its following doesn't exist in the profile later. Yeah, that's what I thought it is. But I guess that's something. Oh, actually, never mind. It might be fixed now. Yep. Profile data follower count. Current followers. Return state is loading false. Profile data. State profile data is following. Followers count is following. Current followers +1. Current followers -1. Okay. Solid. Follow user fix. Dispatch set following status. Set error. Unfollow. Okay. Looks really solid. Profile view. How do I do that? Where's... Oh, it's views, profile view, yeah. I recall that. GG, 0. Visual, G. $sign, paste. Oh, that feels so good. This one doesn't feel any good. Wow, this absolutely doesn't feel good. I mean, I can probably do it that way, right? Probably want to do it that way, just so it's at least readable, you know? Okay. State. Okay, let's just... What we got here? Profile view, follow button, edit button, return age. Okay, let's leave it as it is and I'll let it figure it out, migrate changes. Migrations. Up. Visual. Let's go. We can change it, scanners will go. Oh, it basically retyped everything? Insane. Could you also please update? How's it called? Service of test? How do I write accordingly? ACC, okay. And then I'll feed all the errors and we'll see if it will probably fix them. Let's go. Follow user. Okay, the smoking, it doesn't really matter. It's following, it's not called for owner. Okay, doesn't matter actually. Like, return 10, return 5. That's user ID. Get forward scan. Okay. Okay. Owners should not be following themselves. Okay. Because we don't have. Yep. Yeah, I guess it makes sense. Assert not called is following. Yeah, get following counter. Get following count is following. I mean, it feels kinda dummy, I'm not gonna lie. Like, we just... we basically just saying like, here you get 15. Now check, is it really 15? But like, okay. Okay, maybe like, who knows, maybe we have some like wild shit happening in the service, right? And it will like basically overwrite everything, so let it be that way, right? But actually, maybe I should just rethink if those stats are even reasonable. Test follow user success. Follow user. Threat no error. Okay. Cannot follow self. Okay. User success. Test get user by username success. Domain user, test example. A very secret hash. Good one. Get user by username, test user. Hash password should be clear from response. Make test. Good. CD front end. Ban run. Oh, I'm about to hit 30 minutes. Ban run build. So we are ending this one, and I'm done. Actually, my bad. I want to copy markdown, delete this, and I want to delete previous message because it will just pollute the context. They don't really need it right now, right? It's done, it's done. Like, forget about it. I just got this out. Interesting how long it will take for LLMs to write Doom in pure TypeScript types. Like this dude made in video. Like that's an insane amount of work, right? Because like you have to basically write generators of code. That's actually like gonna feel like AGI at that point. I know, like if you're able to do such task. Do I have generic button parameter? Wait a minute. Components, button, state. Not really, is it generic? Hello, Odeler. Odeler? Yeah, I guess Odeler. How are you doing? What is this? So basically, to be sure, like it's a habit tracker. It's, oh, wait a minute. So it's like habit tracker-based social platform. Finally someone understands me. Ennis, shush. Calm down, Ennis. I'm doing good. How are you? I'm pretty good actually. I feel like a little bit tired because I've been in a, like outside in the hot weather all day. But generally I feel pretty good. So basically it's like I don't actually like, let me log out. So it's a habit tracker, right? But it's like a social platform but could not retrieve user profile. Oh, I got my database broken. Never mind, wait a minute. I'm about to show everything. I've been trying to understand what this what this man is doing for like a month, and guess what? This is good. I still don't understand. He even explained it like he's explaining to a 5-year-old. I mean, like it was a different project, and I don't like don't want to upset you, but I was explaining different project, and this one is another project. But yeah, okay, let's go to button paste. What has changed? Children. Relax children type to avoid any issues with text nodes. Okay, so it basically changed the type to any components input. And probably made the same thing here. Wait a minute, Oliver. I'll just like fix that. I won't fix that. Cannot find the env node. Wait. Oh, my bad. Never mind. Everything's fine. It was planned that way. Let's... You know what? I need... How do I do it? Oh, yeah. Make migrate up. No change. What do you mean no change? How do I reset the database? Reset database. Actually, I know how. It's gonna be... Oh, actually, I have no idea. Oh, yeah, actually, I have idea. So I'm gonna exit one more time, clear. I'm gonna go basically to the terminal, make ls, and then rm, rf, db data. Nice, clear. Then I'm going nix develop. We got the new database, nice, clear. Fish, clear. Make migrate up, clear. Make dev. And now I'm ready to show it to you. Okay, they already read that. They're pretty much the same. No, they are not. They are not, Ennis. They are not. I'm another one. Are you came to bully me? 1. Me don't understand. 2. Me still not. Literally the same scene. Return to chess. I will, like... I have plans to hit at least 1500 ELO, okay? Like, I'll do that. I'll also want to return to League of Legends and hit Challenger. I want really... Okay, at least Master. And probably Challenger. So what am I doing now? Let's go here. Let's actually log out. Sign up. Let's create a new user, right? Create account, login. So basically, $1. Create new habit. Read book for an hour. Add habit. Log today. Nice. You can also do some shit like edit. Like, you know what I'm saying, right? Come on. That's some heavy shit typing. Like, it feels much harder than monkey type, not gonna lie. Hello. Done. And so, what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna log out. I'm gonna sign up. I'm gonna create another user called notmax, right? Extend.me. And use the same password. Create an account, login. Now I can go... Now I'm logged into notmax and I can visit Max account, right? And I'm gonna see everything, I can follow him. Woo! It works! This is too smart for me, I could never. I'm taking notes. It's so adorable. Are you a programmer or dollar? Or are you just like having fun here? Oh, and I cannot edit. Obviously I cannot because it's not my account, right? And I can go back to my account. Damn, it's so good. 1 following. Wow. Wow. I'm losing brain cells each second. Calm down, Enes, calm down. Like, can you tell me who is the reason for you losing your brain cells? Like, are you blaming that on me? Like, let's be honest. Did I what? Do you program? Like, are you a programmer? No, this... It's gonna be a fight. Okay, Enes. Oh, actually, it's not how I do it. Discord.com/app. Enes, you're going here? Oh, it's closed here. It's closed, probably. Yeah. Damn, so you probably won't be able to give me any arguments. You just automatically lose. For you. Sorry to tell you that. No, this. What? No, this. No. Oh, you're not a programmer? It's okay, man. It's okay. Like, you don't have to be, you know? Like, it's in some way, like, you know, like, I would not say I would choose this, but having a happy, fulfilling life, for some people is better than being a programmer, right? So you probably just winning, right? Right? I can't say about, like, that I can feel the same way, but yeah. Yeah. Yeah, actually, I plan to do it a half-hour stream, but I feel like kinda charged, you know? I can go on. So right now, what I can add? Actually, I can I can commit everything. Clear. Git add all, git commit profile, add followers and following. Nice, let's copy everything. Plus, like, to be frank. Guys, to be frank. Recently, I've been writing, I mean, at least in this project, I've been writing really little code. Like, all I do is just review the code Gemini writes, commit it, rarely just fix it, and more often just ask Gemini to fix it by themselves and check if they fix it correctly. And that's it. And then I just iterate, and build the project. It's actually such a fun experience, right? Like, I'm not sure if not a programmer are able to do, but if they can, it's such, I don't know, a game changer. Like, I definitely feel, I definitely feel that my knowledge of programming allows me to control the LLM, right? So I know what it does, and I can tell if it does something wrong. Usually, like, it's not always, but it allows me to grow this project more. So I don't stuck at some point and, like, when everything breaks, because that shit that also happened to me. Now, I got the code, let's get in chat. What I want? Could you please make it so when user clicks on followers or following in the profile, they get the pop-up with the list of all the users. How do I say it? Of all the users? Related? Not related. Of this category? Who follow? Or who are followed, I guess. Okay, I guess it's like... You can get it, right? If you're not dummy, you can get it. 0.7. Run. And now, guys, I'm doing, like, all the heavy lifting is happening right now. Right? Let's go back. Actually, let's go to max. So I'm now following. And it's pretty good. Let's log out. Actually, let's log out. Max. Nice. Let's go. I got one follower. Pretty good. Edit. Done. Oh, this button should not be here. But I'll fix it later. Follow. Nice. User list pop-up, UI component. Yeah, pretty good. However, I feel like I would also want separate model component, but it's gonna be pretty easy to do. I'll just, how do I say it? Decouple all the logic. Is there anything I've done in Figma and I have not implemented in the real app? Oh, I have no profile pictures. That's actually really interesting. I've been thinking, how do you do that, right? Because for that, I basically need a bucket. I guess, like, that seems the most reasonable. I can't, like, it's a dynamic, those are dynamic images, which user update. So I probably want, like, the way I saw it, I have to create another directory next to the folder, call it something like a bucket, I don't know, and make Go server also serve it, and automatically add images to this folder, right? That feels pretty reasonable. I'm not sure if it's like a best practice, and if it's like vulnerable to any vulnerabilities, if you can say it that way, but we'll see. How did? Damn, that's so cursed. So what do we have here? That's, by the way, that's a hell of a lot of code. I was not expecting that. User list pop-up, yes, new file. Pretty good. User list pop-up, is it like one word? Yeah. Yes. Right? Public user types. Okay, it's gonna be updated now. Models that go. Wait a minute. Wait. Did they just edit TypeScripts and Golands and TypeScript? That's first time I've seen something like that. Wait a minute. Yep. Why server can just send me everything at the same time? Kinda weird. Fuck. It feels miserable. I've been scrolling down. I don't want to scroll like to the very bottom. I know that frontend is difficult, right? Frontend is hard. But come on guys, you're Google. Can't you just like do something about it? Pop-up TS, nice. Models that go. Okay. The main models that go. Paste, right. Public user. Kind of weird, but okay. I would like to move public user inside user instead of ID and username. But it's like, I can do it pretty easily in the next slide. Okay, paste. Oh, my bad. That's not, it's a repository, right? Yeah. Good. Get followers, get following. Good. Postgres. What we get here? Get followers. Select ID username from users U. What does U mean? Join followers F on UID, a follower. Okay, so it's like defining the variable. Okay, but a following ID. Okay, makes sense. Created at like how's it called? Increasing and the opposite. Decreasing, right? But why is it desk and not decrease, right? Anyway, it's probably decreasing. Get following. Okay. Servers that go. Get followers, get following. Yeah, he's just using the repo. There is no logic there. Let's go. Handlers will go. GG. 0. V. Capital G. Paste. Right. Handlers. Get followers. User not found. Could not retrieve followers. Come on, man. Let's just use this one. Okay, that was pretty obvious. Good following, user not found. Yeah, it pretty much makes sense. Routes. Followers following. Types of yes. Actually, remove this one. Damn, that's a lot of types. Public user. Follower list state. Wow. Okay, actually this is pretty good. That's something that should be done to all of that, right? To have like substates. State.ts. Follower list. Okay. Open follower list. Because this is some UI logic, I don't really care, honestly. Like, if it's fucked, it's fucked. Like, come on. If it's not server logic, hands down, I don't care. I'm gonna protect backend with my life, but frontend, guys. Profile view. Let's just start them. Let's just let Brock cook. GG. Visual, capital G. $sign. Paste. Okay, we got new effects, at least. Okay. Yeah, makes sense. Button. Okay. Right. It's actually gonna be not pretty because those are gonna be buttons, right? Oh, wait a minute. Never mind, actually it's pretty good. Wow, it looks so good. Wow, it looks so good. I'm not gonna lie, it looks so good. Wait, why I'm not able... Wait. This rendering is kinda cursed. Am I the only one who sees it like it pop-ups empty and then basically followers appears inside and all UI just shifts for a second? Yeah, I can clearly see that. Like, not anymore. Oh, I can... Like, followers spawns somewhere here and then just goes up. But okay, I mean... Damn, it looks so thick. Oh, is that where I was, right? Followers. Damn. Bam! It's so good. Okay, that's it. Let's set it. It works, by the way, it works first shot. Which is insane. Git add all, git commit, m, profile, add followers, and follow win menus. Okay, that's it. Actually, how many commits have I done? Not a lot, actually. I mean, I've done everything in like what? Oh, never mind, it's Vim, right? Yeah, there are much more. Okay, not much. So it's init. I can say like I've done a lot between 16th and 19th, so let's count from this one. So it's like 19, 21. 1 day, 2nd day, 3rd day, 4th day. So, okay, so it's like 5 days. And it's already pretty much done. Okay, comment soon. Yeah, pretty much done, actually. Oh, whatever.